Hello guys, thank you for checking my channel Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe at the end of this video so you will see more videos like this, and please don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video guys, I'm going to do another unboxing. Okay, so the unboxing for today is this one. So okay, let's start. Let's open it. It needs cutting. Cut. What's this? Oh, it's a face mask. FFP2 NR. Oh, so this is the good one. Is it?
Supposed to be. It was genuine.
Yeah, I hope so. Okay, let's see.
Does it say 5 layers on there somewhere in the box?
It says 5 layers of filtering.
Yeah.
High filtration, low resistant, more natural. So it's 20 pieces in.
Yeah, should be 20 masks in there.
Yeah, so let's see where it's made from.
Probably China.
UK.
Is it?
Britain Group Limited. This scan. This, if you scan this one, it goes to UK.
But is it actually made here or just the importers?
Oh, let me see. It doesn't say. They don't want people to know where it's made. Well, maybe it's inside here. Let's see. Oh, so that's the... Wow, so that's the one. So I guess this is 10 and that is 10. So it's 20, is it? 20 pieces. Oh yeah, so that's the... Should I open it?
Yeah, you can take one to use because you need one.
Yeah, okay, let's open. Careful.
Not to cut anything.
Open carefully. Okay, so that's it. It's open. Let's... so that's the mask. Yeah. So... oh, it's made in China.
Yeah.
So it's in the inside packaging.
As suspected.
Yes, but it's made in China for UK. So that's it. So I will open this and I will show you guys. But I need to wash my hands with this. It's 70% alcohol. So it kills more germs, 99.9% germs.
And viruses.
Yes, and viruses. Okay, so I'll take it from there. Okay, so there. Put it there. Oh, so there's the thing. So that's the mask. So it's a bit thicker because it's 5 layers. And it's breathable because they are perforated. And this is strong as well because it's properly sealed, properly attached. So that's inside, and in here it's what do you call this?
Metal.
There's a metal, so you can adjust.
Put it on and see if it's okay.
It will adjust according to your nose height. Okay, let's put it in. like that.
Looks a bit bigger than the 3-layer ones. I
Yeah.
got 3 months back.
So I put it here and then like that. Oh, so it's good. It doesn't stim my glasses.
Yeah, but is it open on the sides? It's open, so that means it's letting in the germs,
Oh,
the
so
virus.
it must be like this.
Yeah, it should, because it's bigger. It's
So maybe I'll do like this. Let's see if it works. Yeah.
a bit better.
Yeah. So like that. So
Yeah.
that's what you do, guys. So this is the technique.
If it's too big
So
for your
So,
face, then
twist
twist it.
it like that. And then do like that. Okay, so it's a bit tighter now.
Still open on this side.
It's still open.
Yeah.
Maybe, how about like that?
Yeah.
So, twist, pinch it a bit, and then like that. So at least it's close. And this is okay, it's close.
And this is actually better for those with bigger heads, bigger faces.
I think my face is a bit small for this. So it's good because it doesn't stim my glasses. Yeah. It's the one that I'm using, darling, is 3 layers.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is better because I can breathe more.
That means it's not as good quality then.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it means it's letting in more air, so that means more germs.
Yeah, because the other
virus.
one, the 3 layers, is if I put it, it's like I can, I hardly
Doesn't let
breathe.
in, yeah.
That's why I always open it, and then I always put it when there's people around me, near me. So I put it on. But this one, I can feel it's good because I can breathe easily because there's perforated here and here as well.
Yeah, so that's not so good then. It's like lets
Really?
in more germs, more virus.
But maybe it filters.
I doubt it.
Will it filters?
Yeah, it's supposed to, but
Maybe that perforated is filtering.
it's just
Okay, so
changing.
let's see if it's filtering.
Can you actually see through the holes?
No, there's something in between.
Yeah, there should be filters.
Yeah, so it filters. So there's a layer in between. So that is filter. So that's good. I think it's still good. Much better than the 3 layers. So this is okay, guys. So this is a very good mask to use. See, guys, if you can find this in the shop, buy it and then see.
Get it from Amazon, so
Oh yeah, so yeah, this was ordered from Amazon.
you can show the box.
The box. It doesn't say Amazon in the box.
No, but they can see what brand it is.
Ah, okay. So that is the brand. The brand is Wow. Okay, let's see like this. Wow. W00 WOOW. So you can't really see because it's 2 eyes in there. In that
It's the
Wow.
FFP2
face
NR.
mask, and then FFP2 NR. So that is the very good one. Yeah.
Supposed to 94% efficient.
Oh, so
Supposed
this,
to be.
so it's still 6%. That's
And if the sides stay open, then it lets in a lot more virus. So you have to make sure it's
yeah.
closed.
So okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today, and oh, so that is in there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today, and see you on my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.